How to enable or disable bold text on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down and tap on Display and Text Size. At the top here, tap on Bold Text. Tap on bold text toggle button to turn off or switch on bold text. And that's it. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off as needed. And finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.